Hello everyone and welcome to Upgrowth. In today's video, I will walk you through how to convert your target return on ad spend to target CPA, which is cost per acquisition, using our simple and easy to use interface, a nifty calculator. So understanding these concepts, ROS and CPA will help you actually get started and make better advertisement decision and optimize your ad spend in case you're spending exorbitant money on your ad spend. So let's get started. Let's first understand what ROAS and CPA mean. So return on ad spend measures how much revenue you generate for every dollar you spend on advertisement. So simply put, it's your total revenue divided by your total ad spend. Cost per acquisition, on the other hand, measures the cost to acquire one customer or conversion. So conversion can be attributed depending upon your marketing goals, which could be a phone call, which could be a simple subscription or lead form fill up, or maybe as simple as clicking onto your website. So there are multiple, depending on your marketing objectives, there are multiple attributes for conversion. So once you have defined your conversion and parameters to determine what is actually considered your customer, so you can compute your cost per acquisition more effectively. Cost per acquisition, like I said, is calculated by dividing your total ad spend by the number of conversions you get. So now, why in first place do you need to convert your return on ad spend to CPA target, and why is it such a complicated process? Well, return on ad spend actually helps you understand the overall return on your ad spend, as the name is self-explanatory. CPA gives you a clear picture of how much you're spending to gain each customer. So this is a crucial part of budget planning and ad campaign optimization. Let me walk you through with a practical example to see how this works. So imagine you have an average order value of $2,000. This means on average, your customer spends, like each customer spends $2,000 on your products, and you've set a target ROAS of 4, meaning for every $1 you want to earn $4 you spend on advertisement. Simply have to hit calculate, you get the corresponding target CPA, and that's it. So you can quickly convert your ROS into target CPA. In this case, if you see, you should aim to spend no more than $500 to acquire each customer to meet your ROS goal. So this way you can quickly convert your return on ad spend to cost per acquisition, which will make it easier to manage your ad spend effectively. And if you don't know yet how to compute your target return on ad spend, you can check out our free target ROS calculator. I'll be dropping the link in the description below. We also have dedicated video on free target ROS calculator, or simply you can type out free target ROS calculator on Google search, and on the first result will be ranking on it. There are multiple ways that you can calculate target ROS. I'll be listing out both the calculators for your convenience. Also, you can check out the videos from the video section on SERP. We're again ranking on top for it. So you can access these links either from SERP, and I'll be dropping them in the description for your convenience. So do check out this calculator. And if you're looking for a growth partner and want to deep dive more into your ad spend and optimizing your campaign, you can book a consultation with our growth marketing specialist. So don't forget to subscribe for more such helpful tips and insights to optimize your online business. Thanks for tuning in.